Hey, it's Sam from Hanko Trade, and in this video I'm going to show you the difference between beginner and advanced. So there are two different settings, if you want to call it, or profile settings on Hanko Act Trader, and one is beginner, one is advanced. So at the very first video of this series, when I first installed the Hanko Act Trader software, it asked me which profile would I like, beginner or advanced, and I chose beginner. And so far all you have seen is the beginner version, but we're going to change that now. We're going to show you the advanced version. So in order to change it over to advanced, it's very, very simple. So all you got to do is make sure you're on the home tab. Under desktop profile, click that, click advanced. Now it will have to restart the program in order for it to load, so we're just going to click yes, let it restart. So now it's just booting up again. Okay, so now we're in the advanced view. So what is the difference between beginner and advanced? Well, beginner had these big sort of buttons that made it very easy for you to navigate and find everything you're looking for. Advanced just gives you more screen real estate, okay? It's really made for multiple screens where you can have a chart on one screen, the dealing rates table on another screen, news on another, whatever it might be, okay? So you can really customize the software how you like, okay? You can move all these things around. You can make them bigger, smaller, however you like, okay? So advanced really gives you that more screen real estate as well. And it's got rid of those big buttons, but you still have all the same settings, okay? So you still got everything you can do. You can go back to, normal view as well if you want. Or go desktop profile beginner if you want. You got everything, the instruments, the catalog, dealing rates table, your orders, open orders, all of the stuff that you need, the different charts that you have active, all your indicators, strategies like we showed before. Everything is still there. You still have those main tabs, the trading tab, the charts tab, okay, the instruments tab, summary tab, and of course the reports tab as we showed earlier. So everything is still there. Everything is just a bit more focused on the actual trading, okay? So you don't have those big buttons anymore, and that's really the major difference, okay? So choose which style you like best, okay? If you like to have more screen real estate, I would say advanced is probably more for you. If you like the easy access of the big buttons, then absolutely beginner is the version for you. So it's as simple as that. Now, within the actual area where you can change, you can also how you set things up. So for example, say you have two charts here, you got rid of this news monitor, and let's say you put the chart here, news monitor really small, somewhere at the top here, or however you like it. Imagine you just have multiple different, so we're going to add another chart. We'll just do that. So imagine you just have it set up exactly how you like it, everything, in order of how you want it to be. Imagine that's your setup. I mean, this is not a great setup that I just put here, but just as an example, imagine that's your perfect setup. You can always go to Windows, settings, desktop profile, save current profile. And you can name it as your, my setup, for example. Okay, and that will always be there for you. So whenever you reboot the program or whatever, say you lose the way it was, no problem, just go desktop profile, my setup, and boom, it will show you how you left it off, or how you saved it at least. So really useful to have a kind of profile sort of feature within this software. Very, very useful to have, because I know it can take a long time to get everything perfect and how you like it. That there is that bit of a setup involved of moving, charts about, moving all the different widgets about. And once you got it in that perfect sort of system, or that perfect order, how you like it, It does suck if you accidentally mess it up and then you have to redo it all again. But with this, it's just a click of the button away. So really, really nice. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.